Okay, welcome back. We have another tool here. This one here is by Hercules. Now, the last one I bought was the drill, and I really like the drill. It's got a lot of torque in the drill, more than I thought it would be. You know, if you're not paying attention to it, it'll pull you around. But what I did is I went back into Harbor Freight and I picked up some of these batteries. Okay. And they had one where you can buy one, get one free. And that was a really good deal. I said, well, I'm going to get this. So I ended up with 3 batteries for this drill. And I told my wife, I said, you know, I've been having problems working out here further away, you know, where the bees are at. And I said I wanted to extend the bees where the box is set down on. I extend the platforms on the bottom, so they'll have a place set. Plus, there's other places you can use something like this. So that was the reason why I bought it. And plus, I had the battery, so I didn't have to buy a battery with the drill. I didn't have to buy the whole thing. So I got just, or not the drill, but I just got the saw. So we decided to go ahead and pick it up. And I've been, like I said, I like to test mine out first before I come online and let you know about it and tell you my honest opinion about it. It's not a powerful saw, but it's a saw that can be used basically anywhere. You know, if you don't have power, like log cabins, if you have a cabin somewhere and it doesn't have power, you have to take generators. Even back in the woods, if you're building tree stands, you know, little places where you do your hunting, stuff like that, even fences. You know, if you have a place, you know, you have a couple fence boards you got to put up and you drug the wood out there. These things are nice to have. Now, I wasn't too big on it because I've always had things with cords on it. So I can say I'm like old school on that because, you know, everything was cords when I was growing up. And then they started out with the drills. You know, they started coming out with the cordless drills. Of course, everybody started getting those. And now they have nothing but all electric, you know, electric tools like this. And this will actually be the second, well, according to the drill, this will be actually the first battery tool. And I thought I'd go ahead and chance it because I had 3 batteries, so I didn't have to buy the battery when I bought the saw. And I think the saw, it might have been on sale because they, you know, Harbor Freight's been having a lot of sales lately. So I said, well, I'm going to go ahead and take a chance. So I picked this up. And I think it's really nice. It's a 6.5 inch disc on it, okay? So the blade's 6.5 inches. Let me get this battery. I don't like messing around with that. Who knows how it's going to come on. It's got a little hook here. They call that a rafter hook. You know, you just kind of, what I mean by, if it was a contractor, you know, and he was up on a roof, the rafters would come down. They would just hang it on there. So that would just hang off the rafter. It's a little heavy, hold like that. And I put it on the board to just try it, you know what I mean? So it would be basically something like this. And it would just hold like this on a rafter going up. So in case the people that, well, I'm just telling the ones that don't know. I mean, a lot of you guys do know, I understand that. But some of you guys don't know, you know. So this is a good thing to know. They say you could take that off. Of course, it's basically set the same thing. It's got its gauges and stuff, you know, that runs through here. So you can set it on 45 or 30 degrees. I think it goes, yeah, it goes like 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, and 50. So it's you can actually get some good angles off of it. Now, if you was using, I know there's another gauge you can buy actually for this, you know, to kind of guide it. So you can buy that for it. So if you're interested of using this, great for trim, small applications. I would say like trim boards, maybe some 1-bys like I'm cutting here. I don't think I'd be cutting any big beams or anything with it for, you know, to get too much out of it, which you could. The larger the battery, they say, the better. But, you know, let's just go to the easy things. It's got a little dust port on it. Some got a little bit of plastic here and there, but most of this is all cast. And you can see on this side over here, it's a real nice looking saw. There's your level. It's real easy to, you know, move your saw up and down here. Like that. And then, of course, like I said, just the batteries, pick up some batteries. I needed it for the bees because I like extending it back there. So I bought it because I get tired of running the extension cord or taking a generator back or cutting the wood somewhere else and then going back and nailing things up what I need nailed. So I went ahead and bought this. I'll let you hear it. Now, it's got like a brake in it, so it's a pretty fast brake, so it's a good safety thing that they're putting on there. You can hear it in there. I mean, it really stops it. Stops it quick. As soon as you let it off of it, it really stops it quick. And now I'll go ahead and cut a couple boards here. And like I said, as soon as you're done using it, once you're done using it, it just stops. So really nice saw. This is, like I said, it's a Hercules, and it's from Harbor Freight. And I don't think you're going to go wrong if you're just use it around your home. And if you did do carpenter work with it, light work maybe, that's my opinion. I mean, I could be wrong on that. I mean, it depends on what you're using it for. But I think it really come in handy for a lot of different things that you can use it for, and be a lot better than carrying a generator around with you and a big extension cord. So, okay, if you have any comments and you like the video, please subscribe to it. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.